These questions are on angles, questions taken from Edexcel GCSE past papers. DEF is a straight line, C is equal to CF, angle ECF is 40, angle DC is 15. Find the size of the angle marked Y. So what we'll do is first to find this angle, we need to find this angle. If we know this angle, we can find that angle. So to define that, we need to find this angle. So this angle is equal to this angle because CEF is an isosceles. Therefore, angle CEF is equal to angle CFE, which is 180 minus 40 divided by 2, which is 70. So this is 70. Now DEF is a straight line. DEF straight line. Therefore, angle CED is 180 minus 70, which is 110. Now if you take the triangle CED, y plus 15 plus 110 is 180. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 110 plus 15, which is 125. 180 take away 125 is 55. Let's go to question 2. ADB, AEB are triangles. ABC is a straight line. AD is parallel to BE. So that's parallel to that. So we can find the values of y and z. We can find the y straight away because this is the alternate angle. Alternate angles are equal because AD is parallel to BE. So angle y is 28 because they are alternate angle. Reason is AD is parallel to BE. Now we need to find the y. We have found the y, we need to find the z. So now we know angle ABE, we can find this angle, angle ABE, this angle ABE. Angle ABE will be 180 minus 36 plus 28. We are looking at this triangle here, which is 116. So if we know this is 116, then we can find the z now because that's a straight line. Therefore, z is 180 minus 116, which is 64. Question 3. ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle DCB is 110. X is the point on DC such that AX bisects the angle DAB. So this is equal to this. Calculate the size of the angle AXC. This is in question. Make it small a little bit. This is what we need to find. Okay, to do that, first thing we will do is, it's a parallelogram, opposite angles equal. Therefore, we could say angle BAD is 110 because opposite angles in a parallelogram. Now we know, because we know this is 110, we could say also, the one other thing that we could do is we could find this angle easily, because they are parallel, the internal angles in if the parallel lines, the internal angles add up to 180. So angle ABC is 180, take away 70 is 110, because they are we could say AB is parallel to DC, the internal angles add up to 180. So now we know this angle is, let's mark it. Sorry, that should be 70. There's a mistake here. So angle ABC would be 180, take away 110, which is 70. Right? So that is, the reason is AB is parallel to DC. So that is 70. So that is 70, that's 110. We know this is 55, we worked out, because we could say BAX, we can work out angle BAX is 110 divided by 2, because AX bisects that angle, which is 55. AX bisects angle BAD. So that is 55. Now that's a quadrilateral or is a trapezium. So in shape ABCX, angles add up to, angle should be 360. So we can find angle AXC 360 minus 55 plus 70 plus 110, that is 235. 360 take away 235, which will be, sorry, 125. So that's the question. Let's go to the next question. Question 4. Question 4. Work out the source of the angle marked X. You must show your working. So this is what we need to find. So we know this is parallel. These all three are parallel lines. So we could say this parallel. Therefore we could mark this as 38. This is parallel. So we could mark this as 38. This is equal to this isosceles triangle. So this is 38. So as this is 38. So now we can find this angle. If this is 38 and this is 38, we can find this angle. 180 take away 38 plus 38. So as that. So that we can find the X. So let's write it down. So we will say angle ABD and equal to angle CBD. They are all 38 alternate angles. Now we could say, we need to say these angles are 38 as well. So angle BAD and angle BCD, they are 38 as well. Isosceles triangle. We know they both of them are isosceles triangle. Sorry, isosceles triangle. Now, so we can find this angle and that angle. They are equal. So therefore, angle CDA, which is equal to angle ADB. Angle around the point is 360. Just want to rub this a little bit, make it tidier. Angle around that is 360. So therefore we could say, but we're finding this angle and this angle now. So these two angles will be 180 take away 38 plus 38. That's 76. So 180 take away 76 is 104. 104. So let's mark with the red actually. We know this is 104. Just tidy up a bit. Okay. So that is 104. That is 104. So we can find the x now. Therefore, x is 360 take away 104 plus 104. That's 208. Therefore, 360 take away 208 will be 152. Next question. Question 5. Question 5 is ABC is a triangle with AB is equal to AC. So let's mark that. So we know this angle is equal to this angle. BA is parallel to CD. BA is parallel to CD. So we could say this angle is equal to this angle, right? Because it's alternate angle. Show that angle X is 30. We need to show this is 30. To do that, we'll find this angle first, right? If we do that, then we can find that. So the approach is, we know this is 90, right? So we can find this angle. So if you take triangle BCP, this is a triangle BCP, the one. We could find this angle. Angle BCP will be 180 minus 15 plus 90. So that will be 105. That so is 75. So we found angle BCP is 75. Right? If that is 75, we know that has to be, all of these have to be 75. We know this is 15, so we can work out this as 60. So we could say angle ABC is 75 because it's an isosceles triangle. Right? ABC is an isosceles triangle. So therefore we can find angle ABP, which is this, is 75 take away 60, which is, sorry, take away 15, which is 60. So now we can take this triangle. We'll take triangle ABP is 180. So therefore we can find this angle. Now just drop these lines actually. Okay, we could find this angle. So angle BAP will be 180 minus 90 plus 65. 60. So that gives you 150, so that is 30. So we know now this is 30. If that is 30, we said this is alternate angle. This is equal to this because it's a Z shape alternate angle. Therefore, X is 30. Alternate angles. Now, one more question. ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle ADB is 38, is given. Angle BEC is 41. DAB is 120. Calculate the size of the angle X. Okay, to do that, we have to find this angle. This is the angle we need. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to find CED. We could find this angle. If we could find this angle and if we could find this angle, we can find that angle. So we could find this angle because it's 180. So angle CED is 180 minus 41, which is 139. Next thing we are going to find is we could find all of that, right? We know how do you find all of that because it's a parallelogram. This is 120. The lines are parallel, so internal angles add up to 180. So angle ADC is 180 minus 120, which is 60. So we know this is 60. If we know this 60, we know this is 38, we can find that. Therefore, angle CDE is 60 minus 38, which is 22. So if you take this triangle now, if you take this little triangle, we know this, which is 22. We know this, which is 139. So we can find the X. So X is equal to 180 minus 139 plus 22, which is 19. So that's the 6 questions. That's the end of the topic.